So these are the things that you'll need when it comes to bleaching your knots. You're gonna need this brush. You obviously gonna need the bleaching powder as well with the solution, the bowl. To mix it, aluminum foil, and also Maya forgot to show you guys the clips that you'll need to pull your hair back so that you don't bleach your hair. And this hair came from Lumiere Hair. Shout out to them. This is my first purchase from them. And I believe this is 18 inches that I purchased. This is my first purchase from them. This is the Brazilian hair. So yeah, stay tuned. Maya's gonna show y'all how to bleach your knots.
Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump.
Hold up, easy on the syrup. We've been going a while. Is it time to cut the butter on a couple items? Cause I know you're gonna slip on me a couple of times. You should think about it. Spark, will you burn for another lover? I don't wanna waste time, but my flame's hot. Don't wanna put the lifesaver down till it's safe to drown. Everything you're saying got me out here looking for a meaning. And I know it might be early, but I'm catching all the feelings. I forget that we are only human beings. You've been giving me extraterrestrial readings. I love you, I mean it if you do. Tell me we're sipping the same brew. Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news.
I love you more than I love myself, boy. And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump.
What the fuck? I want you to show up. Will you throw me a bone? I've been out here making lemonade with all your lemons. You would think by now that I'd have learned 100 lessons, but I'm stupid with it. Cut, feel the burn of another scene. I don't wanna get mean on my 16s, but you don't ever wanna listen to me when I beg and plead, bitch. I don't wanna have it your way, I want you to have it mine. It's a give a little, take a little, but you only take it all the time. You got me twisted down my T's and cross my eyes. I'm in denial, it's too late to compromise. I love you, I mean it if you do. Tell me what's sipping the same brew. Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news.
I love you more than I love myself, boy. And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump. More than I love.
So that's it, guys. That's how you bleach the knots. Shout out to Lumiere Hair. Thank you guys so much for watching.